peba promotionji. Taring unser Upstate New York living unser churchia da unser tarcha ya beachia and tarcha unser pebe haji culture yurimbu pe yore. Unser pebe haji culture ne unser unser la churchia.
아니 드링 기부 드베 드링 내가 가르치고 그래.
단다 파마 전부 던져 쉐탑데레 베베 가지 트레디셔널 쉐탑이야.
아니 계속 보고 주제도 가르치고 그래.
단다 먼저 때문에
알아.
먼저 타진 먼저 남나오더니 먼저 처치래 먼저
아니 드링 앞스럽데 사자 고말에 기부 드베.
기우베도
알아.
내가 빵 첨부도
아하.
좀 빼도.
오케이.
Hey guys, it's me, Tenzin. So today I am here at this New Jersey ceremony and I will tell you how it looks like. It has some God pictures and God statues. There are quite a few. And over here in New Jersey, there's some people from New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, or somewhere close to there. Now, most people over here are Tibetan, so yeah, Tibet is a country in Asia and there are a lot of beautiful things in Tibet, like trees and grasses and all stuff like that. And also I'm wearing a chuba, and the boys' chuba and the girls' chuba are quite different. Not really, but yeah. And I'll tell you some things in Tibetan. So to say to say water in Tibetan, it's called chu. To say rice in Tibetan, it's called de. To say tea in Tibetan, it's called cha. And yeah, and to say banana in Tibetan, it's called kela. And yeah, so these are some things, and hope you enjoy this video. Please like it and also comment down below some other video suggestions, and also subscribe to the channel. So bye.
Right now I'm in a temple, and right now I'm just meditating right here, and yeah, and what I used to do is that I get a kanak. It's like a kind of like a white scarf. It's like those things.
Okay.
And you can just pray with that, and you can pray for the Buddha, because Buddha was first a prince, and he turned into a Buddha because, and his dad never let him let outside because he knew that his son was gonna turn into a Buddha, so he didn't want his son to turn into a Buddha. But one day, Buddha was a prince, and one of his soldiers said that he wanted to take out a walk, and he saw a dead man, and he wanted to help that. And then the next day, he saw that man was dead, and he felt so bad. And then later for years, he's been meditating, and he's been very skinny, and he died when he was 80.
Oh,
And I'll tell you some Tibetan words that I
okay,
know.
good.
So the Tibetan flag is a very important flag to our country because it has a snow line, and the snow line represents
Okay.
a brave and courage. And now I'll tell you some Tibetan words. So girl is pomo, and boy is pu,
Okay.
and
Oh, you said
And
Poo
house-
is girl, right?
no,
And then,
pu is boy.
oh, Poo is called in Tibetan
No.
boy.
Pu is boy,
Oh, Poo is a boy. And girl?
and girl is a pomo.
Oh, Pomo. Okay. Do you have some?
And a house.
Oh, house? Well, how can I say in Tibetan house?
Kamba.
Oh, Kamba or Kangba?
Kamba.
Oh, Kangba. Okay.
And thank you if you like the video.
Oh,
Bye.
good.
Oh, hello, my name is Sensichumi, and right now I am in the temple of Sakya Tsechen, and we are here to pray, and there's a lot of people surrounding us. There is people in the tent, like the temple right now praying, and some people are outside just talking with their relatives and meeting people. And there's, in our country, we have a flag, and we have, the colors are red, blue, and green. The green is a snow line, as we said, and blue and the red, there are 12 stripes. And also some new words are desi, which is this rice we eat, and it is mixed with raisins and butter.
Okay.
And some other food and other stuff is ngangpa, which is a duck.
Oh, Gangba is dog. Okay.
Yes. And food is kala.
Oh, food is what's that?
Kala.
Kala. Okay.
And this right now I'm wearing is called the pusuwunjuk.
Oh, Peso Winju. Okay.
Yes. This boys and girls can wear it.
Okay.
And a girl, they will normally wear a chuba.
Oh, Chupa. Okay.
A chuba is a dress style of this.
Okay.
And they will wear a shirt underneath, or
Okay.
sometimes they would be connected.
Okay.
And thank you. Bye
Let's go.
bye.
Oh.
Hi, my name is Dang Satsering, and today we're in a temple. One is called Chik, and two is called Ni.
Okay. How can you say
And
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in
Chik, Ni,
Tibetan?
Sum, Shi,
Oh,
Nga,
Chik,
Tuk,
Ni.
Sum, Shi, Nga, Tuk, Dun, Gen,
Okay.
Pu, Juk, Juk, Ni, Josum. And those are the words from Tibetan.
Your name?
My name is Sanjin.
Okay. And why you are here today?
I'm here to visit the temple.
Okay. Can you teach me some Tibetan words? I'm a Bhutanese, so I want to know some Tibetan words.
Tashi Dele,
Okay, what is Tashidele?
that means hello.
Okay, and then some other words?
Koyu, that means where are you?
Oh, Kawa, Kappa, Kappa. How can I say? Kawayu. Okay, what is that?
That means where are you?
Okay, where are you? And then?
Chuzu Kajure, that
Oh,
means what time
Chuzu,
is it?
Chuzu.
Chuzu Kajure,
Oh, Chuzu
that means
Katsure.
what time is it?
What time is it? Okay. That's. And what this flag is called in Tibetan?
I'm not sure, ask them.
Oh, okay. Okay, good. Thank you.
Chosum,
Okay.
and today we're here to just celebrate
Okay.
We put up these flags because each of them says something very important.
Oh, okay. And can you teach some Tibetan words, the new Tibetan word?
Tashidele, which
Oh,
means
Tashidele, and then?
it means hello.
Oh, hello. Okay.
And
And this tree, how can I say in Tibetan? The trees.
the you
How can I say?
Shingdong.
Oh,
Shingdong.
Shingdong. Okay, Shingdong is called?
Plant.
Oh, plant, tree, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then some different words.
And tarcha.
Oh, tarcha.
Tarcha
Okay, what's that?
means flag.
Oh, flag. This flag the same, this one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And pesha means money.
Pesha is called money, okay.
And nga chogotoidu means hungry.
Chogotogudu means hungry. And how can I say thank you?
Tujanang.
Tushana is, what is
Thank
this?
you.
Thank you, right? Okay. That's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Tenzin, and I'm at the Tibetan Hall in New Jersey. And today we're celebrating a special occasion of Tibetans. And I'm inside the temple right now with the statue of one of the gods, many of the gods. And people pray in here, like they give in goodies for the Tibetans, for the gods, and the lamas or people that pray in the temple. So we don't call it temple, we call it like a lagang.
Oh, good.
And people are all from New York to New Jersey. They're nearly all most of them are from New York. They're surrounding the whole temple, from the bottom of the temple to the top where the staircase are. And outside there is like field, and in that corner there is lots of houses of peoples, and you can also get food like cheese and rice, but we call it cha and a day. And we
Can you say some Tibetan words, please?
in Tibetan we
Yeah.
say hi by Dasi Dele.
Oh, Tashidala is called hi, right?
And
Okay.
most people, those are named Tenzins, are named after the Dalai Lama.
Okay.
And how to say water in Tibetan is shu.
Okay.
And the numbers are from 1 to 10 is Jik Ni Sum Si Nga
I'm gonna be older in there.
And in there we have some statues, we have some pictures, and in each corner we have some flags, tiny flags. And thank you, subscribe this video, bye.
Thank you.
Today we're gonna be good, and we're gonna learn something there, and we're gonna see everything that's good. But do you see that it's all over there and all over here? So we had to meditate for it. And flowers, but there's a beautiful, and there's someone taking a camera to YouTube.
Okay.
My brother's running crazy, and two brothers running crazy. So there's one flower coming. So there's so much to do, and we're gonna sign up for YouTube.
And your name?
Kunga. My name is Kunga, but there's a little boy.
You are Nepali or Tibetan or Bhutanese?
Tibetan and
Oh,
Bhutan.
okay. You're Tibetan and
So we're gonna have a great day.
You know the Dalai Lama?
Oh yeah.
Okay, who is he?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know the Dalai Lama, but you said you know.
Sometimes I know, but my brothers are going crazy.
Okay. That's it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, bye. What is going on here? And then you are Tibetan or Sherpa, right? Okay, can you explain what is going on here?
So here we have a Dharma class. When I was younger, I used to go upstate with my family to see Anipunga, and she would give me Dharma teachings. And I did this people on Buddha Jayanti because of what it is and what exactly it means to be Buddhist. So many young kids growing up in America don't understand that. So
And you guys are studying or learning Tibetan script or Tibetan book? So based on what
this
language?
is a Dharma class because a lot of kids don't understand Tibetan.
Okay.
So they don't understand the teachings when they're offered. This Dharma class is in English, so this can reach kids who don't understand Tibetan because a lot of kids, since they grew up in America, don't understand Tibetan.
Okay.
And we want to bridge that language barrier.
And you know this introduction, the Dharma or Buddhist introduction is every time your programming day.
Just so far, it's just today. We like for there to be future classes. Right now, it's
And
just
why today you set up all this event?
because today is Buddha Jayanti and
Buddha Jayanti. Can you tell me what is the Buddha Jayanti?
Buddha Jayanti is the day the Buddha was born, the day the Buddha went to
okay.
Nirvana, the day Buddha reached enlightenment, and so it makes it a very auspicious day.
Ah, okay. So can you say something for the Tibetans?
For Tibetan people, well, since it's Buddha Jayanti,